The law offices of Spar Bernstein with 2 locations in New York, 2901 White Plains Road in the Bronx and 225 Broadway in Manhattan. Call now to make appointments at
1-800-LAWLINK.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, good evening. Good afternoon. I'd like to ask a lawyer question. Okay, yes, I am a citizen. And I have a daughter in Jamaica. But I want to file for her, but she has a young baby at the age of 2. What could I do in order to get that baby up here too with her?
Yeah. Well, these are your options. I'll give you your 2 options.
Yeah.
Okay. Option 1 is you file for your daughter now as a 19-year-old. She comes up by herself.
Yeah.
She can't come up with the baby because she's an immediate relative. And then when she comes up to America, she turns around herself as the mother, files for the baby, and the baby would come up probably when she's about 5 years old. So I don't know if the daughter has someone to leave the baby with for 3 years and if the daughter wants to leave her baby. Those are 2 issues. The other option would be that you wait until she turns 21. Then you file for her. She would,
my daughter?
Yes. She
My
would
daughter
wait.
is 20. Yeah, she's over 21.
Oh, I thought you told me she was 19.
No, she's over 21. I'm sorry if I said that. She's over 21. She's 22. And the daughter our baby's 2.
Oh, I'm sorry. She's 22. No, just put in a petition for her. Add the baby's name on the I-130. They'll both come up together. It'll be about 3.5 years.
Oh, so put them on the same form,
Yes.
the same I-30.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. I misunderstood the question. I thought she was 19.
No, she's 22.
No, she's a derivative beneficiary, and she'll be able to come up with your daughter.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we're live speaking with Brad Bernstein on the Immigration Link on Linkup Radio. Don't forget to call 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-529-5465. Set up your appointment to see Brad Bernstein, and once you do so, that consultation is $120. You're live on the air.
Yes, good afternoon. Can I speak to Brad?
Yep.
Hi, good afternoon, Brad.
Yeah.
I'm calling to find out. Okay, I came in the country in 1991 with a legal green card. Since then, I've been married for about 13 years, and I was wanting to know if I go ahead and file citizenship, because I have a felony, and if that would classify me as a deportable person.
What was the felony for?
Attempted armed robbery.
Attempted robbery?
Yeah.
Did you go to jail?
No, I did probation.
Okay. When did this conviction happen?
In 94 or 93, something like that.
Okay. Well,
Got
you are deported.
certificate of relief from the judge and everything.
Oh, you got it already.
Yes.
You got a 212C waiver.
Yes.
No, then absolutely file for your citizenship. You have nothing, unless you have other convictions. It's no problem.
Okay.
Once you get the certificate of relief, you can't get deported for the same crime.
Okay. Thank
And
you.
you're not an aggravated felon, which would prevent you from becoming a citizen. You would only be an aggravated felon if you did more than a year in jail.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna call your office to make an appointment.
All right, thank you. It's 1-800-LAW-LINK, 1-800-529-5465.
I got it. Thank you.
Thank you.
And thanks for making that phone call. Very intelligent of you to do so. 1-800-LAW-LINK. He made the right choice, Brad.
Yes.
That's what
very smart man.
Very smart man to make the call. All
Yes.
right. $120 is not a big deal for him. He's getting the right help, the right information, of course. Immigration Link, you're live.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes. I have a question for Brad. How are you?
Good.
I would like to know, after the alien registration and the affidavit of support is sent to the National Visa Center, right, what's the next step?
You wait for the National Visa Center to forward everything down to the embassy and schedule an appointment.
About approximately how long would that be, a month or?
About 4 weeks after they get everything, they should be forwarding it to the embassy if everything's okay.
Okay, and once you get the date and the interview and thing, like, what questions would you expect, like?
Well, it depends on what the case is. You know, it depends on what the case is. I don't know all the issues of the case. What are we talking about here?
Oh, it's like a marriage. You know,
It's a
and
marriage.
the
Well,
waiver might be influenced. Right.
Right. Well, they want to know that this is a real marriage. That this is not for business. So they're going to ask questions about how you met, bring documentation to prove you have an ongoing relationship, an overseas relationship, meaning that let me see pictures of you and your husband when he came down here. Let me see proof that you communicate with each other, phone bills, emails, letters, cards, whatever it may be, to prove that the two of you are communicating with each other.
And like, what do you think is the best way to dress?
Show the bills, show the cards, show the emails, show the pictures.
No, I'm saying like dress. Or what's the best way? Like your tie, how you present yourself. Like
I'm sorry, say it again.
tie,
He wants to know how
like
should he
with suit and tie, and
dress.
Oh, you wear a shirt and tie. You absolutely wear a shirt and tie. Okay, you
And
know
as
you
far as my wife.
and as far as your wife, you should both come in looking nice. Wear your best.
Right.
And if you go in together for the interview, if you're going down, your wife is here or she's in another country?
She's in the States.
Wait a second now. Okay, now I'm lost a little bit. Okay.
She's in the
You
States,
told me
and I'm in Jamaica.
1 second. You told me National Visa Center.
Right.
Okay, National Visa Center means that you're processing for an appointment down in Jamaica or Trinidad or wherever your wife is from. If she's in the United States, you don't want to do that. You're screwing up the case. I'm thinking your wife's in another country.
She's in the United States, and I'm in Jamaica.
You are, sir. I can tell you point blank, you're doing the case wrong.
Oh.
When you start dealing with the National Visa Center, that's to schedule an appointment in another country.
So where?
All right, you haven't filed an adjustment of status application yet, and you're not going to send your wife home to pick up her green card. Certainly, if she's overstayed, you're not going to do that.
Are you here in the States or you're in the islands?
No, he and the wife are here in the States, and he filed a petition for the wife to pick up a green card in the islands.
No, actually, it's not me that's filing. It's my wife filing for me. I'm in Jamaica.
Oh,
that's what I was saying.
Ha ha.
Bing, bing,
Okay.
bing, bing, bing.
Boy, a lot of Jamaican people calling from Jamaica.
Yeah.
I apologize. Okay.
There we go
Yeah,
now.
so that your wife should come down. Your wife should, if at all possible, your wife should come down for the interview, and you should both dress very nicely. And they could ask you questions: how you met, how you got engaged, how many times your wife has come down to visit, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And what I would, and if you really want to be prepared for the interview, have your wife come make an appointment to see me ahead of time, and we'll prepare for it.
All right, sir.
You and her for it.
And about how long will the interview last? About 5 minutes to a half hour?
And it could take 5 minutes.
All
It could take a
depends.
half hour. They could take you and your wife and separate you in rooms and give you a 2-hour interview. You never know.
Okay.
I guess it depends on the mood they're in, right, Brad?
Yeah, it depends on exactly.
All right, so cross your fingers, man.
Yeah.
Everything will work out.
Come on.
All right, cool.
A lot of people need help down there, Sean.
Yeah, I realize that, man. A lot of folks need help.
I think you're gonna have to go buy that jet you've been talking about.
That
It's
jet?
down there.
Oh, yeah. You got to let me alone then.
You got to get the pilot license.
I got to take a course of flying the jet, right? I won't be hiring anyone. All right, we're still inside the
Oh
immigration
man,
link.
the day that I get in a plane that you're driving.
Everyone wear a parachute.
Oh, parachute. I want two.
Hey, well, abort!